here is PhotoApp AI photo enhancer, enhance and blur fixed images. As you can see, this app is actually in the top charts right now in the like photos category, some other categories. It's pretty cool app. Definitely give it a try. It's just from this developer who also built a Nova AI chatbot, some Face AI apps, which are basically it's quite well-known like developer in this niche, especially with AI. So when you're using the apps from like this scale up, Yazılım Hizmetleri, I don't know if it's like a studio, if it's Turkish or something, but they're doing these quite good apps which are getting a lot of nice reviews and just good ratings. So yeah, let's just open it up and see how it might work. You can allow it to track and then turn your old blurry photos into Georgia or clear HD in just one tap. So here, you can just colorize, you can restore some old photos. You can also animate photos, which is also pretty amazing feature. It's not that perfect yet, but like the animation, but it's getting better and better. So yeah, you can see here they are trying to upgrade. So you can upgrade for $4.99 per week, or there is a nice deal like $40 lifetime. It's actually a pretty good deal for this kind of app. They're also like putting out the number of people who want Pro this week. So yeah, seems they have around 3,000 people per week. I mean, they have around 12,000 people per month, which is pretty cool. You can allow notifications or not, and then you can just see how it looks like. For example, you can try to enhance some photos, and then you can let's just see what they can do like with the selfie, but it's already it's already like a kind of on a newer phone, but just an example what you can do here. And then obviously you just need to watch this annoying ad. So yeah, that's just what it is. Unfortunately, if you don't want to watch this kind of ads, you will need to upgrade. And then so for example, you can see something like that. This is what it does. So that's basically what it is. I don't know, like if it's obviously this is just like an example, probably not the best one, but it works like if you have old photos, and if you scan some old photos or something, you just have some very like old photos from 50s, whatever, you scan them and you just want to really colorize them, enhance, animate, then this kind of apps are really amazing. Or even from 90s, these pixelated photos, 90s, early 2000s. And then also another feature, it just has background remover. You can cartoonize it, you can animate, you can remove objects. So a lot of features, and I think actually that lifetime subscription is pretty cool. So you can try it as well. So that's just what it is. Hope that is helpful.